Day 3 of our March Madness today, and Mariella is going to show you how to do pelvic tilts, and then we're going to just warm up the entire spine. So she's going to rock back with her hips and then rock forward with her hips. So this is the predominant pattern that we use in the lower back, is to go into flexion or going into extension. Our lower backs are really good at doing this, but it sometimes gets a little bit stuck in one or the other position. So it's really nice just to warm the lower back up at the beginning of your class just by doing a few of these. Then we're going to find the midpoint. So at that area, you're going to really feel the very lower part of your pelvis sinking into the mat, and then there'll be a lightness in your low back. So that's the neutral position, the position where we're neither flexing or extending. We're just ready, we're just humming, ready for movement. So now I'm just going to take the pillow away so that Mariella can really feel her entire spine. So we're going to rock backwards and now slowly peel the spine off of vertebra by vertebra. When she reaches the middle part of her shoulder blade, so she's not hyperextending, she's going to take a nice inhalation breath. And then as she exhales and her ribs deflate, she's going to encourage each part of her spine just to melt and sink and become nice and juicy until it's back on the floor. And we'll just do one more like that, rocking back and peeling up one vertebra at a time, just feeling that juiciness coming into the spine. Inhale. As you exhale, start from the very top of the breastbone, melting your way down like candle wax dripping down the side of the candle until you're back into your neutral. And there you have a beautiful juicy spine ready for day 3 of March Madness.